Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on YFI token. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that recently the price of YFI was bounced very well from a very high demand zone. That starts from $4,800 and goes to $4,019. Now we are watching on the live chart, and here you can see that whenever the price is visiting this demand zone, let me to highlight this area so it will be more understandable for you. Uh, Here you can see that this is the zone. And whenever the price line is visiting this zone, you can see that it is starting very, very massive reversal. Like it was entered this zone here in the month of June 2022. Then we had a nice pump. And again, it entered or touched this support line here in the month of January 2023. Then we had another very, very nice pump. Again, it tested this support line here, by the way. We had a nice short pump. And here we had a bigger pump after testing this support line. And again, it visited this demand zone here in the month of October 2024. Then we had another very, very nice pump. And by the way, at the same time, the price and also broke out this falling wedge pattern as well. Now, recently, we had just a spike inside this support zone, and the price and is once again geared up. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for XRP, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on the 18th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was a buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of YFI. And here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that it is breaking out different patterns one after the other. Like it formed this big and long-term down channel. And before the breakout, it also formed a smaller down channel as well and broke it out. And the target for the breakout from this smaller down channel, I was telling you, was here at the top of the channel, approximately at $11,240. And by the way, this level was already working as a resistance. Like here we got rejection, and again the price then got rejected, and we broke out another falling wedge pattern, and target was again here at the top of the wedge, and you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target up to approximately $16,000. Now recently it formed another falling wedge pattern, and I was telling you that after the breakout from this wedge, our next target will be again here at the top of the wedge at $11,240. And the price then you can see that rallied beyond that target and got rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from $14,200 and goes to $15,955. That has been previously working as a resistance on here, and now again it worked as a very, very strong resistance on, and now the pricing is once again dropped down, and now we have just touched this very, very high demand zone that starts from $4,800 and goes to $4,019. And you can see whenever the pricing is entering inside this demand zone or touching this demand zone, we are watching very, very nice pumps. It's happening every time. And now, after visiting this demand zone, the pricing is once again bounced very well. And now this time, if the price then will be moved up from here, then we need to break out, by the way, so many resistance levels. First, we will need to break out this resistance of $6,900. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, a support here, resistance here, a support here. And again, it can work as a strong resistance. Then we have the next resistance of $8,000. It had been previously working as a very strong resistance here, and resistance here as well. And again, it can work as a strong resistance. By the way, here it was also working as a resistance. And then it can again hit the resistance of $11,240. That is also working as a resistance of a big horizontal channel as well. And in case of breaking out this resistance, of horizontal channel that is here at $11,240. Then technical target for this breakout will be here. That will be approximately at this long-term resistance of $25,000 and has been previously breaking as a resistance here, support here, and support here. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel, that long-term target can be here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.